How to create a group chat in Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a group chat in Instagram. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into account. So once you're inside here, just tap on this messenger icon at the top and simply select this pencil button at the top right corner once again. And once you're inside here, you can see there's an option to create a group chat. Just tap on this and simply search in or add the person simply from over here as well to whom you want to add to your group chat, and simply give a group chat name, which is optional. So you can also give a group chat name just like this. And once you do all of that, just click on this done. And always remember that you can't create a group chat with only one person being in the group or two-person being in the group including you. So you just have to always have a third person, that is more than two people, then only you can create a group chat. So once you click on this create a group chat, you will have successfully created a group chat on your Instagram. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.